In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot reviews to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Trustpilot feedback showing on your store using the Fera app, and you'll know exactly what to click and what to expect on each screen. First, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin with permission to install apps and have access to your Trustpilot business account. It also helps to turn off any pop-up blockers, since the connection window may open in a new tab. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading into your admin dashboard. From there, go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Fera. You're looking for the Fera Product Reviews app, which supports importing and syncing reviews from external sources like Trustpilot. Click the app to open its page, then click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs. Review them, then confirm the installation. This only takes a moment. Once Fera is installed, it will open its dashboard inside your Shopify admin. Here, look for the option to add reviews. Click Add Review to begin setting up your import. On the next screen, choose Import and Sync. This tells Fera that you want to bring in reviews from an outside platform and keep them updated over time. When the list of sources appears, select Trustpilot. Fera will prompt you to connect to your Trustpilot account. Click to connect, then follow the on-screen steps. You'll be asked to sign into Trustpilot and authorize the connection so Fera can read your business reviews. If you manage multiple business profiles in Trustpilot, make sure you pick the correct one for your Shopify store. Keep an eye on any settings Fera presents, such as selecting which reviews to import, choosing a time range, and enabling ongoing sync. The app's prompts will guide you through each choice, so take a moment to read them carefully before confirming. After you complete the connection, Fera will start importing your Trustpilot reviews. The initial sync time depends on how many reviews you have. If you don't see them right away, give it a few minutes and refresh the Fera dashboard. If a pop-up was blocked or the connection failed, try reconnecting. Ensure you're logged into the right Trustpilot account and confirm the app permissions. That's it. You opened Shopify, went to Apps, installed Fera, clicked Add Review, chose Import and Sync, selected Trustpilot, connected your account, and followed the prompts on screen. Now your Trustpilot reviews can flow into Shopify through Fera, keeping your store fresh with authentic customer feedback.